Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our chapter number 4, Matter, Solid, Liquid and Gas. Students, along with this video, I have sent you some other videos also. You have to watch them first. Then only you will be able to understand all the concepts about the matter. Here you can see in this picture, there are some living and non-living things. All these living and non-living things, whether it's a human being, an animal, and non-living things like a chair, table, lamp, a car, all these things occupying some space and they all have some mass. And anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. In my video, I have shown you that when we color any picture with crayons or when we write on a paper with a pencil or when we write on a board with chalk, what happens? The crayons, pencil or chalk, these get reduced in size. And what is the reason behind this? Students, I told you that when we color any picture or when we write with the help of a pencil and when we write with the help of a chalk, the particles get transferred onto the paper. That is why we are able to see the drawing or writing with pencil or writing with a chalk. So we can say that matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Any kind of matter, whether it is a solid, liquid or gas, all the kind of matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Like if we talk about 1 tablespoon of water, that has 600 billion trillion molecules of water. Now you all know that every substance is made up of small particles called molecules, and each particle has the same properties as the original substance. Like if we talk about the molecules of chalk have same properties as that of chalk. Here if we talk about one more example, we can take an example of a perfume bottle. Like if we open up a bottle of perfume in a room, we will observe that slowly the fragrance gets spread into the room. Can you tell me the reason why? Because the particles of the perfume, they get spread into the room. So we can say that this is also made up of molecule. Then if we talk about one more example, I have shown you one activity like when we add crystals of potassium permanganate in a glass filled with water, we will observe that the color of the water slowly gets pink. And the reason behind this is the crystals of the potassium permanganate is made up of small particles, and those particles they spread when we add these crystals into the water. So now if we talk about the properties of molecules, we can say that molecules are tiny substances that cannot be seen with our naked eyes. Molecules of different substances have different shape, size and mass. I have shown you this using blocks also in my activity. Then molecules in different substances are arranged differently. This also I have shown you with the help of blocks. Then if we talk about the units of the molecule, we can say that molecules are made up of still smaller units called atoms. There are 118 different types of atoms, and atoms of same or different type combine to form molecules of all substances around us. Like here you can see the molecule of water. Molecule of water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. These atoms combine to form one molecule of water. So we can say that molecules are made up of still smaller units called atoms. Our body is also made up of different type of atoms like hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus. These atoms combine in different ways to form a human body. Hope now you all know about the matter and the molecules. Thank you and have a nice day.